Have you ever found yourself spinning for fun and then battling a case of dizziness? We've all been there. Let's spin into the very interesting science behind it. Welcome to Med Science Simplified. I am Dr. Ziki, your go-to channel for unraveling the mysteries of everyday phenomena. Today, we are exploring the spin zone. Why does spinning leave us dizzy? Before we dive in, it's important to understand what the vestibular system is. So let's simplify it. The vestibular system is your body's balance system. Just like any other system in your body, you have the digestive system, the muscular system, nervous system, and multiple other systems. The vestibular system is just another one. It's made up of organs in your inner ear and your brain that send messages back and forth to help you stay balanced. It's like a personal steadiness sensor that helps you stay upright and balanced. Our inner ears have these awesome structures called the semicircular canals. We'll call them the ear canals. They are part of the vestibular system or the balance system, and each ear has one. The structure is made up of these three tiny looped tubes that are filled with fluid and they send messages back and forth to the brain. When you're not moving, the fluids in these ear canals are steady. The message is simply sent to the brain that you're steady. When you move or spin around, the fluid swishes around inside of the ear canals. The location of the fluid in the ear canals is sent back to the brain, and this information is used to map your position and keep you balanced. When you stop spinning, that's when things get interesting. The fluid in the ear canals keep swirling, but for a short time. We'll call this the last second swirl. Let me demonstrate that. Imagine this bottle is your ear canal with some fluid inside of it, and you spin, 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 and stop spinning. But you have that last second swirl. See that? And then it settles. That's inertia, a law of physics in your head. How does this explain dizziness? Remember that you have stopped spinning. Your eyes see reality that you've stopped spinning, and it sends the stop message to the brain. But the fluid in the ear canal is still doing that last second swirl and still sending message to your brain that you're still spinning. Your brain is confused and is trying to make sense of this mixed messages from your eyes saying, we've stopped spinning, and the ear canal saying, you're still spinning. That's what you feel as dizziness, also known as vertigo. A confused brain trying to make sense of opposing messages from the eyes saying that you have stopped, and the ear canals having that last second swirl that you are still spinning. Voila. So, what happens next? No stress though. Your body's natural equilibrium is just around the corner. The fluid in the ear canal eventually settles and sends a stop message to the brain. This stop message matches the same stop message sent by your eyes, and your brain eventually gets the memo, and the dizziness stops. Fun fact, some dancers use special techniques to keep them from getting dizzy. They're like spin masters. When to worry about dizziness? There are lots of diseases that affect the vestibular system or the balance system in your inner ear or brain. So, persistent dizziness, or one that is excessive or unprovoked, may be due to a more serious medical condition. You should see a healthcare provider to be evaluated. Who said science wasn't fun? They clearly never subscribed to our channel. Remember, the only head spinning thing about us is how quickly we unravel those fun facts. Hit subscribe for more fun science. See you in the next video.